Module 8, Policy Implementation and Operationalization. Introduction to policy implementation definition, importance, and the link between policy formulation and outcomes. Distinction between policy intent, policy design, and actual implementation. Implementation as an iterative and adaptive process. Factors affecting successful implementation: political support, stakeholder buy-in and institutional legitimacy, resource availability, financial, human, and technological capacity, bureaucratic structure, leadership and organizational culture, policy clarity, feasibility, and alignment with societal norms. Operationalization strategies. Translating strategic objectives into actionable tasks. Developing implementation plans with clear timelines, milestones, and responsibilities. Utilizing project management techniques, including Gantt charts, workflow mapping, and risk analysis. Resource allocation planning, budgeting, staffing, and infrastructure coordination and collaboration, managing interagency and multi-stakeholder partnerships. Communication and collaboration mechanisms to reduce conflicts and overlaps. Building networks and coalitions for policy execution, aligning public, private, and civil society actors with policy goals. Monitoring and reporting mechanisms, establishing performance indicators to track implementation progress. Real-time reporting systems, dashboards, and data-driven decision-making. Early identification of implementation gaps, bottlenecks, and unintended consequences. Feedback integration for adaptive management. Addressing implementation challenges policy. Ambiguity and conflicting objectives, resistance from stakeholders, bureaucratic inertia, and political interference. Limited resources, capacity gaps, and environmental constraints, ethical dilemmas, corruption risks, and accountability challenges. Adaptive and continuous improvement. Iterative learning and adjusting operational strategies. Incorporating lessons from previous policy cycles and best practices. Institutionalizing adaptive management and flexibility. Promoting innovation while maintaining policy integrity and compliance. Case studies and practical applications. Examination of successful and failed policy implementations in public health, infrastructure, education, and economic reforms. Simulation exercises. Operationalizing a policy initiative, identifying risks, and designing mitigation strategies. Analysis of cross-sector coordination and adaptive implementation approaches. Lessons learned from implementation bottlenecks, resource mismanagement, and stakeholder misalignment.